Oh man, what a lovely day. What's up and what's good, guys? As y'all can see, Charles with the most, Paul Cantu, the Thrift God with a brand new trip to the Thrift. We're live outside of the first spot. But before we get inside, I have a pop-up this Sunday in Dallas, Texas. It's at the Empire Room at 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. All the info's in the video description down below, so pull up on me if you guys live in Dallas. But without further ado, let's see if we can pull some gems in the Thrift. All right, guys, we're live in the mix right now, and I really want to grab the Skechers booty sculptors for men. I saw these last video, but they are cracking on the bottom. I really just want to rock them for a week and see what it does to the tushy. You feel me? But yeah, speaking of buttocks, this is the shit right here, man. Look at this Adidas fleece jacket, a nice maroon burgundy. Got that fat pull tab that we all need, and yeah, it's slightly taxed. 10 bucks?
Wait a minute.
Come on, man, you joking me? But this is just such a clean color scheme, such great quality. Oh man, feels like I'm just petting God's armpit. I'm gonna get it. And then yeah, I got this big boy Polo Ralph Lauren France shirt right here. And then, you know what? You got the Missouri Essential Sophie crew neck, or Sophie. It's like Timberland texture, so tree things. We'll see what else. All right, guys, we're out of there. I don't know why I'm smiling. That store made me want to die on the inside. They didn't have much. I got 4 things. I managed to find 2 more quick little scoops of sauce. Let me show you guys what those are. All right, so here's piece number 1, which is this multicolored all knit sweater. Just a clean essential. It was a couple bucks. I don't mind it whatsoever. And then I have that unique green Gap hoodie. Just a crispy essential, all embroidered as well. I just love unique colored garments, and both of these qualify. All right. And we have arrived at the next spot, Family Thrift Center. Another one. We'll see if this one hits. Haven't been here in a minute, so let's hop in there. All right, guys, so we're in here. The music is banging way too loud, but the pieces are banging as well. So the first store definitely was lacking. This second one has picked up the slack. Check it out, man. You have the hoodie, Florida University, rule number 1, the Crocs number 1.
Rule 2, the Crocs number 2.
Bruh, $7 hoodie jersey. You have the Ray Lewis Nike jersey. What a beast Ray Lewis was. You also have another beast, the LaDainian Tomlinson jersey.
A little pitch back to LT. He's looking to throw towards the end zone. Gates got it!
And then, oh, what? Hakeem the Dream? Bro, I thought this was Torrey Holt.
Tripping.
Why'd they get me like that, bro? All right, I'm passing on that jersey. I'm definitely gonna get these 2. They are charging kind of a grip, but bro, that's like Hall of Fame status. And then last and not least, I found this Levi's denim jacket thus far up in here as well. It's newer. I think it's like 13 bucks. I don't know what in the hell that says, bro.
Can you use it in a sentence?
Low key, man. That's a whole different language. Ah, then they got 2 of them, bro. A whole aquarium. Fishes get you hella bitches. Single stitch. Cozumel tees. Oh, hell yeah, bro. $3.
All 3 of y'all.
All right, guys, we're out of there, man. I kid y'all not. I saw the absolute creepiest baby in that store. And yes, it was an artificial baby, not a real human child. Guys, just look at this picture, bro. It freaked me out, all right?
Oh my God!
I also grabbed this really cool Southern Tide skipjack, essential crew neck, and a Cincinnati Bengals long sleeve while I waited in a very long line. But yeah, that store was a hit. Let's go ahead and find yet another thrift. Woo-wee! This is how we start in this spot, man. To go with the Adidas fleece, we have an all Adidas day happening, Captain. Adidas crew neck? I'll take that. My guy. Bruh, Kenny Koretsky? Hold on, with that dripping wet design? Oh, he knows. Fishes get you hella biatches. What, is this fool rocking out with the headphones? Young Piranha, the nitro fish? Hold on, that boy too quick. Dude, this graphic is absolutely amazing. Let me hit that slow zoom. The Black Widow Harley Davidson. Look at man just riding his horse hybrid with the motorcycle collab. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Y'all ever blow that hydroponic smoke in your cat's nostrils? Bruh.
Let me dig in that bag of the reefer though.
Oh wow, I needed this in my life. The vintage liquid blue coral reef tee. Nice. You guys know, man, that bleaching effect is a real problem. But regardless of the fact, we restore this environment and fishes shall forever get us. Hella bitches. Wow, why am I still this zoomed in? Tripping. Yo, I apologize, guys. I apologize. All right, this is unreal, guys. Straight up. Look at this 7-Eleven merchandise. My guys, the color blocking is amazing. Just look at that embroidery. What? That's looking like Harry Potter's forehead. You got a little bit of red right there. You got some green down the sleeves. Bruh, this jacket is crazy. Hey, fit this up with the new little sneaker renditions. You got yourself a full 7-Eleven fitness. Dude, this is my current mood because I'm a sad little bitch. My camera finna die. That Douse Hunt. Tripping. Hey, look at this, guys. Save the planet. That's what I'm talking about. This is what we need for the reefs. Earth is my planet. You have the Hard Rock Cafe and kind of the neon colorway with the embroidery. Oh, Paris edition? That's so hot.
That's hot. That's hot. That's hot. That's hot.
Bro, cutting no corners. Look at that Corvette all embroidered crew neck. Speaking of Corvettes though, my neighbor pulled up on me and blessed me with a couple vintage pieces in his Corvette. You guys, check out this footage. Guys, my neighbor Matt pulled up on me, checked out the channel, flexed on me in the Corvette, and then is bestowing the 3M Tommy Hilfiger jacket circa 1993, the year of my birth, in the snapback too? Unreal. Unreal. Oh, unreal. Oh my gosh, maybe you guys see this, maybe you don't, but the booty does not lie, just like the hip Shakira. Hold on, wait 1 second. Oh my dick. Bro, the Jordan Carmine 6's live in the Thrift. Oh wait, but this is really what I want. Those Skechers? Bro, black on black. No, but seriously, they have the Jordan Carmine 6's. Ooh, these things have some wear, some patina. They definitely are a little bit dirty. What is that? Is that packing tape? Oh no, someone put the little soul suppressor, the soul stain suppressors. I don't know what that's called. I don't know why people put those on their shoes, but nevertheless, a quick little paint job, maybe some suede cleaner, and we got some new to you used Air Jordan Carmine 6's. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, indeed. We're on 2%. And we got ourselves a hometown heater. 1995 NBA World Champions, back-to-back, the Houston Rockets. Bro, this is crazy. It's like a starter graphic, right? But the tag is on a Giant by Toltex. This is the ultimate collaboration of a vintage t-shirt. And it's mine, baby. Oh, mine. Guys, absolute grail found. What on this good God's earth? Look at the color scheme. That Carhartt Native American patchwork jacket. Hold up, $2 in here today. Bazillion-dollar value. No, but for real, these go for like hundreds of dollars. I am so damn blessed to have found this gem. What's up? Oh, what is this? Nah, shit.
Got him!
Hey, look at these crew necks, bro. So fire, all car encrusted, but this one right here, you guys know if I go to a massage parlor wearing this, I'm leaving getting jacked off, bruh. And that's just facts.
What's that? Facts?
Bruh, my camera died and my phone's on 2%, but I don't give a damn, bro, because we got that Notre Dame, Notre Flame. Look at this guy's fade. Oh my God, speaking of fade, he can throw hands, man. He's like the Floyd Mayweather of the serial universe. Bro, crazy. Hey, they also got my size, my guys. The Crocs, size 3. Fuck with who? Fuck with me.
Fuck with me.
Ah, that pistachio green Nike tee? Bro, a militant placed that check. That shit obscure. Look at that vintage Guess jacket as well. Wait, where is it? Where are you? Oh, it's hidden by that sleeve. Look at that triangle, bruh. Detailed to perfection. And yes, even my phone is vintage. Tripping. All right, my phone is on 1%, but look at these finds. Raiders V-neck vintage tee. Raiders all embroidered vintage crew neck. Raiders Toltecs vintage, kind of like African print, all over crew neck. And then last and not least, sorry about the lighting too, it's so booty on the phone, you have the Orlando Magic vintage champion warm-up jacket. Are you guys kidding me, man? Today just smack. My phone died, but I jumped in another store and I charged it on the way, so I have like 2%. But I have to show you guys these unbelievable $1 tees, bro. You have the Jackson 5, brand new, Chicago Bulls vintage tees, and we don't have one, we have two, and bro, we have three. Give me 5, bro. God damn. So yeah, these shirts are circa 1997. It's when they won the finals there. It's wild. What also is wild is they have this Adidas jacket, which is fire. They're charging $25.
I wish I might.
Personal foul, bruh.
Personal foul, tripping.
And all right, guys, we're back in HD. Hopefully you did enjoy the back-to-back trip to the thrifts that I dropped yesterday and today. So catch up on all the videos. We dropped 3 videos in 3 days. So yeah, you're welcome. And also, if you guys want to pull up on me again, I'm having a pop-up this weekend in Dallas, Texas, selling a bunch of fire garments before they hit the website, so you guys will get top priority. And then of course, everyone else, thriftandvintage.com is where all the remaining heat is gonna be. Don't even worry about it. We're gonna have a lot of stuff for all of you guys, all right? So link in the video description, or all the info is in the video description. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. Please subscribe if you guys are not. That way you know when I drop new videos, turn on the little bell, all that YouTube-ish. You know what time it is, man. I'll see y'all next time. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.